Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talking about 3 KDP low content book niches for kids. 3 KDP low content book niches for kids. আজকে আমরা 3 ধরনের লো কন্টেন্ট বুকের নিশ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব কিডসের জন্য। তো আমরা আমাদের অ্যামাজনে চলে আসলাম। তো now we can search if animals kissed good night. If animals kiss good night. This is our first niche. So we can see 151 results. So this is very profitable niches and good niches for kids. Wow, there is 65,707 review. So and this BSR rank is 37 only. Now we can calculate how much earning from this niche. How much earning from this niche? BSR হচ্ছে 37 book and sales per month. Wow, per day sales 1,124 and per month sale 16,865. Wow, this is very profitable. So we must upload this type of book. And our second niche is human body activity book for kids. আমরা সার্চ দিই হিউম্যান বডি activity book for kids. Wow, this is 967 results. We can find out 967 result human body activity book for kids. Here we can see 19,604 review. So here we can see BSR rank is 517. So we can see to calculate 517 book. Wow, per day sales 231 and sales per month 3,463. So we must be work in this niche. This is very profitable and strong niche for kids. So we are trying to upload this type of book in Amazon. Next, our third niche is Cat Kid Comic Club. Cat Kid Comic Club. This is 486 Cat Kid Comic Club, 486 results. So here we can find out this cat kit comic club on purpose. Here we can see 1553 review. So we can calculate this, and here we can see BSR rank. We can wait. Here we can see 501, 103, 5103. Wow, this is also 16,084 review. Oof, we can wait to get better rank. Okay, this is our three niche. Our first niche is if animals kissed good night, and our second niche is human body activity book for kids, and our third niche is cat kid comic club. So we are trying to work these three type of niche and earning unlimited earning, and we are earning unlimited earning from these three books. So thank you so much. If my video is like you, please share, comments, likes, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.